After our food walk at Mile End, we'll pick up our Montreal adventure here in the old Montreal all the way to the old port. Montreal was founded in 1642, making it one of the oldest cities in North America. It is known to many as the City of Saints, Quebec's metropolis, Sin City, the City of Festivals, and the Paris of North America. Just in case you didn't know, French is the official language here in Montreal and Quebec province in general, hence the European vibes. Lots of friends shared with us that when you visit Montreal, you will feel that you are in Europe. And yes, indeed, that's what happened. It feels like stepping back in time as we enjoy the historic district's charming atmosphere. The streets are paved with cobblestones. There are cultural landmarks, museums, boutiques, art galleries, sidewalk cafes, and restaurants, which make this an interesting, lovely walk. Tiyanggihan sa Montreal. Even though it's very touristy, we had a great time just walking around and exploring this magnificently preserved area of the city. There are so many interesting sights, and I personally really enjoyed seeing the beautiful architecture. From here, we'll head to the old port of Montreal. at no. The port is really nice for a stroll and sightseeing. It has a beautiful riverfront with views of the St. Lawrence River. This is really a great place to visit if you're looking for a nice relaxing way to spend a day here in Montreal. For us, we just spent the afternoon walking around and people watching. Hindi naman automated.
Automatic you are.
That's it for today. Watch out for Montreal adventures in the upcoming episodes.